Hi, welcome back to the Core Restore Advent Series. I'm Hope Savara with Mother Trucker Yoga. We're taking you on a journey to restore, improve, and build your core from the inside out. We are just moving along in this sequence. Today we're going to be on all fours. Now, if you have knee issues, I want to encourage you to pad wherever it is you're kneeling. I'm on a foam mat. You can be on your mattress. You can be on a blanket. You can be wherever it is you need to. I want you to do you in the best of ways possible. Okay, so let's get into an all fours position. And I'm going to put my little mini ball off to the side. Now, when we're in all fours, it's wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Fingertips nice and wide. Your middle finger is the directional. It's going to point forward. Now, when you're in tabletop, the folds of the elbows should be pointing forward without locking or hyperextending. So there's like a little micro bend. And then look at your hands. They're going to probably cup. Can I push into all of the knuckles of my fingers while my arms, my folds of my elbows are forward? That's going to just create a better shoulder girdle stability point and better stability for you and what we'd call the roof of your core. And I'm in pelvic neutral. So press up through your front hip bones. I'm still engaging from the back to the front through my pelvic floor the entire time. I'm just going to move this just slightly. There we go. And as I'm in tabletop, curl the toes under, okay? And now with my nice broad back, my head in neutral, I'm going to lift my knees 1 inch up off the floor while I'm pulling up anal sphincter, perineum, urethra. I'm creating that engagement. My back is flat enough to put a glass of water on. So we're going to lift here a few times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, pelvic floor, low, hold. The lower I am away from the floor, the harder it is. Let's go. 8, 7, nice broad back. 6, no saggy head. 5, pelvic floor. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down. Breathe. Now you can stay with that. If you have your mini ball, by engaging between the legs on the ball, just like when we were in a seated position the other day, I'm going to influence the pelvic floor. So think of your inner thighs as like your pelvic floor's favorite neighbor. When I squeeze, they're going to go, oh, I have to turn on now. And so fingertips nice and wide, broad back, rotate the arms, nice long neck. Squeeze on that ball if you have it. Curl the toes under. And let's press up off the floor and hold it here again. 8, 7, stay low. It's easy to go high. 6, 5, squeeze that ball. 4, think 80% of your squeeze you're going to use. 3, 2, 1, drop it down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Pelvic floor, broad back, set it up. 4, 3, 2, 1, lift, hold, squeeze the ball. Keep breathing with me. Think about the pelvic floor. Broad in the back. Stay mentally in this stability pose. I'm shaking. Squeeze the ball a little bit more. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. Breathe. Now, if you're feeling like, oh my gosh, Hope, my wrists, how many times a day are you in a flexed position? Extension. You're usually in this flexion position. So this does get better. I would encourage you to do some of our wrist exercises through the day to help bring better mobility, but also nice wide hand, lean into your knuckles. We're not here. We're also not here. Here we go. Pull up on the pelvic floor. I want 80% capacity. Squeeze on that ball. This time we're going to count down from 20. This is our big one. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, lift. Keep breathing with me. Think about the pelvic floor. Press away from the mat. 15, 14, squeeze. 13, stay low. 11, 10, 9, you got this. 8, 7, stay committed. 6, 5, squeeze the ball. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down. Big breath in. Big breath out. Big breath in. And big breath out. Think you got it in you for one more time? I bet you do. Okay, here we go. We're going to do that big 20 count again. You're going to be so happy after this. Here we go. Pelvic floor. And when I pull up on my pelvic floor, I feel my lower abs engage more. Curl the toes under, broad back. Here we go. Let's lift nice and low. Squeeze that ball. 20, 18, 16. Keep squeezing. 14. The more you squeeze that ball, the more you're going to shake. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, squeeze, 7, stay with me, 6, pelvic floor, 4, 3, 2, and 1, drop down. Whew. Whew, yes, I feel it. Roll the wrists out. And again, you're not used to that extension in the wrists. Really important to be using our wrists regularly throughout the day, rolling them, stretching them. Find our other videos that focus specifically on the hands and wrists. That's going to help you tremendously. But thank you so much for tuning in again. This is all about restoring your core through our Advent series so that you can stay healthy and fit. Remember, it is the small, simple changes that lead to the big results in your life so that you can feel good again. Please like and share this video out with someone important in your life that you know wants to improve core strength and improve their all-over lifestyle wellness. Until next time, we'll see you soon.